Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the distance formula. Distance formula is a formula used to find the distance between 2 points on a graph. As we see here, the formula is d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. This will make sense more later in the video. So, we'll apply this distance formula to a sample problem. We'll find the distance between coordinates -1, 2, and 4, 2. So we'll see how this looks like on your graph. So we'll need to graph -1 and 2. So these are our coordinates x and y. And so are 4 and 2, which are our second x and y. So we'll go -1, 2, which is going to be up here, and 4, 2, so up here. So the distance between them is essentially this basic straight line. As we can see, we can already tell that the distance between them is 5 units. However, I want to show you how to use the formula in order to find the distance between them for times when there isn't a straight line, such as when you have a diagonal between 2 points like that, such as that one. So we need to solve this formula, -1, 2, which is the same one as before, and 4, 2. We'll have the distance formula on the screen just so it would be easier to reference back to. So -1 will be our x1, which is our first x, and -2 will be our y1, which is our first y. Our 4 will be our x2, which is the second x, and the 2 will be the second y, which is y2. So now that we have those labeled, we can go ahead and jump straight into the formula. D will represent our distance here. So D will represent distance. Here, fix that. Our x2 is going to be 4. So 4 minus x1, which is -1. And we're going to be squaring that, plus our y2, which is 2, subtracted from y1, which is also 2, squared. So, as we can see, 4 minus -1 is 5. So, we'll do 5 squared plus, as you can see here, 2 minus 2 squared just cancels out and becomes 0. So, we'll get a 0 squared. So, we'll equal that 5 squared, which is 25, added to 0 squared. Well, obviously 0 squared is just going to equal 0, so 5 squared plus 0 is just going to be 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. So we'll take the square root of 25, which is 5. So as we see, 5 units is the distance between these 2 points, and which is the same as we received on the graph earlier. So you can see how that formula corresponds to the points on the graph to find the distance between them. Thank you.